Told you this first, that Kangana Ranaut, who was getting threats from the Shiv Sena leaders and workers, has got Y security cover. Big news breaking first on Times Now. The Times Now Newsbreak confirmed now, viewers, once again. Actor Kangana Ranaut, who has been talking about this case, has been lashing out at the Bollywood drugs mafia, and the Mumbai police was getting threats from the Shiv Sena leaders, and she has now been given Y category security cover. And this is a tweet acknowledging that ये प्रमाण है कि अब किसी देशभक्त आवाज को कोई फांसीवादी नहीं कुचल सकेगा। मैं अमित शाह जी की आभारी हूं। वो चाहते तो हालातों के चलते मुझे कुछ दिन बाद मुंबई जाने की सलाह देते, मगर उन्होंने भारत की एक बेटी के वचनों का मान रखा, हमारे स्वाभिमान और आत्मसम्मान की लाज रखी। जय हिंद। दिस इज कंगना रनावत टेकिंग टू ट्विटर, thanking the union government, the union home minister Amit Shah. She has Y security cover now, Arunil.
Well, this is a significant move, Pranesh, considering that there were threats being issued by the Shiv Sena leaders. In fact, Pratap Sarnaik went to the extent of saying that when Kangana Ranaut lands in the city of Mumbai, and if Shiv Sena women workers beat her and basically break her face, the Shiv Sena will take complete responsibility of it. And because of that, the Kangana Ranaut had accepted the challenge, saying that I will be arriving in the financial capital of the country on the 9th of this month, basically September 9th, I will be arriving. And now she has thanked the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, saying that I'm thankful that in these times of threats as well, you haven't advised me to go to Mumbai or during postpone my visit to Mumbai, but you are giving me a security. So basically, we will have to see what will be the next move from the Shiv Sena. But yes, some derogatory remarks being made by the Shiv Sena leader, especially Sanjay Raut, who first made a very derogatory.
How the Sena has responded to this? This is Sanjay Raut on Twitter. He says Shiv Sena follows the ideology of great Hindutva icons Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the great Maharana Pratap. They have taught us to respect women, but some with malicious intent are spreading misinformation that Shiv Sena has insulted women. But one should not forget the fact that those making these allegations have themselves insulted Mumbai and our deity Mumba Devi. Shiv Sena will continue to fight for the pride of women. This is what our great Shiv Sena Supremo has taught us. So Sanjay Raut, some would say, relenting after all the controversy, and Shiv Sena faced a lot of flag on social media. So Kangana Ranaut has now got Y category security cover from the union government, and this is Sanjay Raut's response. But also big news coming in.